What is meant by quantization of charge or quantization of charge? Apna quantization of charge. Apna. The definition enna, the total charge of the body equal to integral multiples of charge of fundamental charge அப்படின்ற word யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். So when we talk about integral multiple, வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை, when you take a charge body, its total charge is Q. அப்போ what is that charge? It is made up of electron. அப்போ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 electrons are there. So what is the total charge of this body? Q, 10 into charge of electron. We should know the value of charge of electron. 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. And it is negative. So the general definition is total charge is equal to number of charge into charge of electron. அது எப்படி நம்ம definition சொல்லலாம்? Total charge is equal to integral multiples of charge of electron. And we know when you add electron, a neutral body is there. After adding electron, it becomes negative charge. Here, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove 10 electrons now. The same body, I have removed 10 electrons. It becomes, as you remove electron, it becomes positive charge. So, number of positive charge, what is the total charge of the body? The same thing, plus 10 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. இதோட ஆன்சரும் சேம் தான், பட் the magnitude is same. அப்போ 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 18 coulomb. இதுவும் அதே தான், ஆனா இது மைனஸ், this is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 18 coulomb. அப்போ coming to the conclusion, charging a body depends on removal of electron or adding an electron. If you add electron, it becomes negative charge. If you remove electron, it becomes positive charge. But the general formula for whether it becomes positive charge or negative charge is same. E is the charge of electron, because charge of electron and charge of proton are equal, and the value equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. This is called quantization of charge. Again, conclusion, the total charge of the body is equal to integral multiples of charge of electron. Integral means number of electron. Multiples of charge of electron, because charge of electron and charge of proton are equal. Magnitude wise, the formula is same, but direction will differ. If you remove electron, it becomes plus. If you add electron, it becomes minus. That's called quantization of charge. Thank you. Thank you, students.